In this episode, we're looking at the best gaming keypad on the market for every price range. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So, for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description. Logitech G13 Programmable Gameboard. This gaming keypad gives you a top-notch gaming experience as it eliminates your worry about your hands getting tired or hitting the wrong key, thereby giving you game-changing comfort and control while you play. With the LCD display, you get to see your commands, system information, and even live game stats. One advantage of this device over others is the Comfort Wave design, which changes your game experience and gives you the best experience. Redragon K585 DITI mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard has 42 keys, a detachable wrist rest, 7 onboard macro keys, blue switches, and is a one-handed Type-C professional gaming keypad. It has a wide range of backlight modes to choose from 16.8 million colors. It is comfortable to use as it gets rid of extra keys, leaving the useful keys in a slim and portable package for easy access. It has a USB 2.0 connector and a Type-C cord for connecting various devices. cacc RGB one-handed mechanical gaming keyboard. Colorful backlit professional gaming keyboard with wrist rest to make it comfortable while in use. It bonds perfectly with PS4, Xbox One, laptop, and PC computer game. It also works harmoniously with different Windows versions like Windows 2000, XP, ME, Vista, Linux, and Windows 7, 8, and 10. The multiple lighting modes in this device gives you a level-headed ambience that makes your game enjoyable. What can you say about our first 3 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when upload a new video. Now let's continue. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.